So hey, how you doing? Probably wondering, oh. Hey, how you doing? I'm back again. Oh wait. Oh. Probably wondering. Hey guys, how you doing? Just here doing more VL stuff. Oh shit, hang on. Oh, that's better. Probably wondering why I'm wearing that. It's not because of any airborne contaminants or anything like that. Contaminants. Airborne viruses. It's because I'm going to Raptor line bottom of this car that I'm fixing up. So what I've done so far is, it's pretty boring, but pressure washed all underneath the car, degreased it, all that kind of stuff, let it dry out for a day. Then went underneath with the wire wheel, wire wheeled everything, and that took forever. Then once I did that, I blew it all down, got whatever bits that I missed. Underneath this car is rust free, so that's great, so it makes it pretty easy. So really I'm just trying to remove the dirt, the grime, and basically rough it up so I can prime it and I can paint it. So after I blew all the dust off, I used some, what did I use? Like prep wash, that kind of stuff. Brake cleaner, wax and grease remover, that's it. So I gave it all a rub down with stuff with that, and then after I did that, I primed it. I used some primer. And now I'm just letting that primer cure, and then once that cures, I'm ready to get crazy with the old Schultz gun. So it's for like body deadener and stuff like that. So what it's going to do, it's going to spray out the bed liner in a thick coat, so it's going to have a bit of a splatter effect. So yeah, it's going to protect the underneath of the car for a very long time. And probably a secondary effect is it's going to reduce a lot of road noise. Not that that really matters when I'm cruising around listening to like my fully sick subwoofers and hitting boosts and all that kind of stuff, but it does help. So hopefully this cures soon and I can get started. So should be fun. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. I've got some drop sheets down and stuff like that. I'm not too concerned about you know, getting some of it on my diff and my springs and all that kind of stuff that's in the car, because all that stuff's getting pulled out anyway. So that's fine. So the intent of doing this is to utilise the hoist while I can, save me doing it on the ground, and just get the majority of the underneath of the car coated. And then after I do that, the next thing that I'll tackle, which probably won't be today, which will be the engine bay. I'm going to do the engine bay the same. So there's still a lot of components in there that would need to be removed. You know, things bagged up and taped and all that kind of jazz. So that'll be a lengthy process, but it's going to be well worth it in the end. I think it's going to be mint. So let's get to it. Well, that coat, that's just one, and it came out sick. I'm gonna let it flash off for an hour, and then I'm gonna do another coat. This battery's gone dead on the torch. But yeah, that turned out sick, so really happy with that. All right, so just gonna mix up my second coat now. Super easy, just boom, pour the hardener into this cup, up to the line, tip it in, shake it for 2 minutes, and then point and shoot. So exactly what it says on the box. Fill, shake, and shoot. Easy as that. I think I was using about 60 PSI, and I'm very, very happy with the texture, the way it came out. So yeah, I'm gonna do a second coat, and then call it for today, and then yeah, got the engine bay and stuff like that to do next. So wish me luck. Ciao. Well, this turned out to be an absolute treat. Very, very pleased with how it turned out. That was only 2 bottles. Probably could have done it with 1, but I wanted to give it a second coat. And yeah, that texture is exactly what I'm looking for. So, turned out a treat. Probably got heaps on my face as well, which is probably normal. Didn't pull the tank out, but the tank has to come out anyway because I'm going to put a long range fuel tank that I have in this thing, so when that tank comes out and I do that, I can touch up underneath there. Next is the engine bay, so I'm not sure when I'm going to do that, but I'll be doing that very, very shortly. And yeah, I think that's going to come up real nice.